Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. I love a good bag that is both unique and also versatile. And this bag is just that. The KALIDI tote bag is perfect because of the beautiful linen canvas material. When you feel it and see it up close, it almost has this soft texture to it. It's extremely sturdy material. And a really special feature about it is this woven PU leather that goes all the way up the front of the bag. I really like it because you can use this bag in different ways. Because of the removable straps, you can easily wear it as a long or a short crossbody. You can wear it over your arm and even over your shoulder. I really enjoy using this bag because it's also practical. You can fit quite a bit in here. This is the medium size and I fit a good amount of items in here. It also does come in a large size and it comes in different colors. So if you're looking for a bag that will catch people's eye, that's practical but extremely unique, then you need this KALIDI tote bag. It's gorgeous. And that's my point of view.